Good fuel system maintenance is an important part of the routine care of your machine, especially with the fuel system technologies required to meet today's more stringent emissions regulations. You should always use clean fuel, drain the water from your fuel water separator, and change your fuel filter element per your operation and maintenance manual. But not all manufacturers make that an easy task. Some manufacturers make it harder than it should be, with hard to access filters, bleed screws that have to be opened, and no way to control the fuel and water solution when it's being drained from the fuel water separator. Not so with the CAT D-Series machine. Let's take a closer look on what is contained in the D-Series machine and what steps you have to do to achieve this. With the D-Series, we provide a clear bowl on the fuel water separator housing. That allows you to visually inspect for water in your fuel on a daily basis. If you were to miss that on your daily walk around, we include an electronic sensor in the fuel water separator here, which will give you an alarm in the cab. Draining your fuel water separator on a daily basis or as needed is easy and ecologically friendly to do. We provide this tube here that is connected to the bottom of your fuel water separator that easily allows you to place it into a container to capture that fluid. Competitive systems don't always give you that flexibility and that control of the fluid. Let's take a closer look at actually how you do that. First, you remove the electronic sensor connector on the bottom of the fuel water separator. Then, using your container to capture the fluid, you loosen and then simply turn the valve on the bottom of the fuel water separator to allow the flow of fluid to start. Once you visually can see that the water has left the fuel water separator, all you need to do is tighten the valve and reinstall the connector on the bottom of the fuel water separator, and then properly dispose of the fluid from your fuel water separator. With the fuel system provided on the D-Series machines, priming the fuel system and bleeding the air from the fuel system is very easy. With the automatic electric priming pump, you prime the fuel system with just the turn of the key switch. Also, with the design of the fuel system, the air is automatically bled. No need to open bleed screws or have any other tools handy in order to do this. You simply walk around the front of the machine, key on from the cab, and the fuel system primes and the air is automatically bled. So as you can see, the D-Series was designed with routine maintenance in mind to help you protect your investment. It allows you to easily accomplish daily and routine maintenance items such as fuel system maintenance without the need for hand tools, easily and quickly.